Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Cancer. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Cancer. I'll be picking few cards from each deck, guys, and I'll be giving the angels guidance message at last. See what is coming up. Cancer's King of Pentacles. Queen of Wands, Ten of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Temperance. Cancers, with these cards, you are where you are in your relationship or in work. You have achieved what you want to achieve in your work and you're really happy about your position, or maybe in this relationship you are happy where your relationship is headed, so you are really content how things are going, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you and your person together, you are making some kind of financial investments, or you may be planning your life together, making some plans based on finances together. So you may be dealing with some, or you may be working together. Your workplace may be the same and you may be working together, some thing of that sort, guys, some kind of energy. And you will be making a home together. Maybe you're planning to move in, or you're buying a house together, some kind of financial investments you are planning to make together, guys. And you your relationship has that great compatibility. You have a very good understanding in your relationship, and your person is very friendly towards you, and you feel that friendliness with them, so you are very open in your relationship. You speak from your heart, both of you have a very good mutual understanding in this relationship, guys. Mutual love is there and understanding is there in this relationship. And this person is very friendly, or you are very friendly towards this person, and you share your emotions, and it is a very emotional kind of relationship, but it is well balanced, guys. And you're planning things ahead in your life. You have a set path to go, and you're planning your finances together. Maybe you are starting a family. Some of you all, you're planning to start a family, and this person is really happy to be there with you right now, and they are very much interested in you, and they are very much interested in this life with you. And you are managing things, guys. You are planning and managing things. This may be in your work, or this may be in your relationship. So both of you all have that perfect management. Those qualities are there in this relationship, guys. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys. What is coming up here? Rider, Whips, Garden, Letter, Heart. Cancers, with these cards, I feel some kind of announcement is coming your way. some happy news, whatever you were expecting is coming today, guys. Or maybe if this person and yourself, if you're in a long distance relationship, they may be communicating through letters, or they may be sending some postcards or greetings, or some emails to you. Some kind of communication is coming from them, and some kind of happy news also. That may be announcement. If they are coming directly, they may come with the announcement. They may come with the proposal, or some kind of opportunity also. Maybe something rare is coming your way. Whatever you have wished for, whatever it is, whatever you are waiting for, that is coming your way, guys. And this relationship, there is definitely, just like I said, you have a very good understanding in this relationship, and you have compassion, passion and affection in this relationship, and that romance is there in this relationship, guys, and you're feeling really happy for it, happy to be with this person. Maybe that may be the reason that you're celebrating this relationship. You are going out with friends or family, having dinners or attending some events or some fundraisers, some clubs or something. You are going out and participating in some kind of communal activity, guys. So that is also the energy here. And maybe for some of you all, you may feel that you have to give up some things, like maybe some negative thoughts, or maybe some fears you have on your part, maybe some arguments, whatever you were having in the past. Maybe you would have you are getting that resignation in your mind that you should leave all that out from your life. So you're not going to argue. You are telling to yourself, you are feeling that determination to overcome all that negative. So whatever you felt before, or maybe for some of you all, you may be into some kind of some repetitive activities, like a sports practice or dancing or something you do regularly on a repeated basis every day. So maybe for some of you all, you feel you need to take a break from that. You are quite bored and you need to take a break. So maybe that may also be the energy here, guys. Or maybe your past arguments or criticisms, you just want to overcome that, and you are feeling that resignation in your heart to stop arguing in the future, stop criticizing your person or whoever it is. Or if they are doing it, they are feeling that determination not to do it hereafter. So they are truly in love with you and they don't want to hurt you. So that may also be the energy here, guys. So just because they love you a lot, they don't want to hurt you by arguing or criticizing or anything, just fighting or some arguments. They don't want to go and do that. So let us see what is the angel's guidance today, guys. Cherish innocence. So in life, guys, we need to be have a fresh mind about anything. That innocence, we should not be burdened by all our troubles and challenges of the past, whatever we had and whatever experiences we had. We should not be burdening ourselves with all that. Once in a way, we should feel like a child and look at us and look at the people who are with us and our situation with childlike wonder. When we do that, we just simply enjoy being alive that day, and we just love to laugh, and we experience the magic that is there all around us. So sometimes you need to be that child in everyday, day-to-day life sometimes. So that is what the angels are guiding us today, guys. And they are guiding us to have that innocence in our heart and to lose all our fears and welcome the wonder and love towards anyone and every situation. So that is the energy here, Cancers, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.